Imagine grabbing a pair of industrial gloves without thinking. But those gloves may have survived chemicals, razor-sharp steel, and extreme heat before reaching your hands. Every year, billions of protective gloves shield workers from danger, yet most people never wonder how these life-saving tools are actually made. Today's journey takes you inside one of the world's most fascinating manufacturing processes, where science, precision, and automation work together every second. The story begins long before the factory floor, with raw materials gathered from forests, chemical plants, and advanced manufacturing facilities worldwide. Think about this. One tiny defect could expose someone's hand to life-changing injuries. That's why perfection isn't optional inside these factories. The factory never truly sleeps. Massive production lines operate day and night, producing thousands of gloves every single hour. You'll hear powerful machines, see glowing ovens, watch robotic arms move with perfect timing, and discover secrets hidden behind every production step. But here's what nobody tells you. The toughest part isn't making the gloves. It's proving they deserve to protect human lives. And what happens next surprises even experienced engineers. Let's step onto the production floor and discover where every glove truly begins. Every industrial glove begins with carefully selected raw materials, and each one determines how strong, flexible, and protected the final product becomes. Natural rubber starts its journey in tropical plantations across Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia, where workers collect fresh latex before sunrise. For chemical-resistant gloves, manufacturers rely on nitrile, a synthetic rubber created from petroleum-based compounds refined in advanced chemical plants. Every shipment undergoes laboratory testing before production begins, ensuring purity, consistency, and performance meet strict manufacturing standards. Next, manufacturers add pigments, curing agents, stabilizers, and protective additives that improve durability, grip, and resistance to harsh environments. Massive mixers blend every ingredient until the liquid compound reaches the perfect consistency for forming flawless protective gloves. Sensors constantly monitor temperature, viscosity, and chemical balance because even tiny variations could affect millions of gloves. Most people never realize these raw materials travel thousands of kilometers before reaching a single glove manufacturing facility. Before a single glove takes shape, every ingredient has already completed an extraordinary journey across farms, refineries, laboratories, and global supply chains. Now the real transformation begins as these simple materials enter giant machines that will shape them into life-saving industrial gloves. Now the factory comes alive as thousands of ceramic hand molds begin moving along automated conveyor lines without stopping for a single moment. Each mold passes through powerful washing stations where hot water, rotating brushes, and cleaning solutions remove every trace of contamination. The spotless molds enter heated drying ovens, where controlled temperatures remove every drop of moisture before the next critical stage begins. Next, every mold dips into a coagulant solution that helps liquid rubber cling evenly across the entire hand-shaped surface. Seconds later, the molds sink into giant tanks of liquid nitrile or natural latex, forming the first layer of every glove. As the molds rise, gravity removes excess material while the coating settles into a perfectly smooth protective layer. Some industrial gloves receive a second or even third coating, making them stronger against chemicals, cuts, and heavy mechanical work. The coated gloves enter long curing ovens where carefully controlled heat transforms soft liquid into durable protective material. After cooling, powerful air jets and automated rollers gently remove each finished glove from its ceramic mold without causing damage. The gloves may look complete, but the toughest inspections still lie ahead, and that's where even perfect-looking gloves can fail. Every glove now enters a factory's most demanding stage, where advanced technology decides whether it protects or gets rejected forever. The high-speed AI vision cameras scan every glove, searching for tiny holes, uneven coatings, wrinkles, and invisible surface defects. Next comes the air leak test, where each glove inflates like a balloon to reveal even the smallest puncture. Some gloves face razor-sharp blades, while others battle chemicals, extreme heat, and powerful stretching machines before approval. Experienced inspectors still examine random samples by hand because trained human eyes notice details machines sometimes miss. Approved gloves receive batch numbers, traceability codes, and certification markings before automated systems prepare them for packaging. Robotic arms count, fold, and stack finished gloves with incredible speed, creating perfectly organized packages ready for shipment. Boxes travel through automatic sealing, labeling, and palletizing systems before forklifts carry them toward enormous distribution warehouses. Within days, these gloves will protect mechanics, firefighters, laboratory scientists, construction workers, and countless professionals around the world. But just how many gloves does the world produce every year? And which countries lead this extraordinary industry? Let's find out. Every year, manufacturers produce billions of industrial gloves, protecting workers in factories, hospitals, laboratories, construction sites, and hazardous industries worldwide. Malaysia, China, Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia remain among the world's largest producers, supplying customers across nearly every continent, from emergency responders to aerospace engineers. Millions of professionals depend on these gloves every single working day. Modern factories continue reducing waste, recycling materials, and improving energy efficiency while maintaining strict international safety standards. Researchers now develop smarter gloves with improved grip, enhanced durability, and advanced materials designed for tomorrow's toughest jobs. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear that IT was born from the earth, shaped by science, perfected by technology, and approved through rigorous testing before reaching you. That's not just a product. It's a result of innovation, precision, teamwork, and engineering working together every single day. If you enjoyed exploring this hidden world of manufacturing, tell us which factory you'd like to visit next in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.